Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about the Maytag washer F5, E2 or E3 and how we can fix the issues if it's not like working. So what it indicates a washer can engage the lid lock because there may be an obstruction in the lock area. So you want to check that, and you want to check the lid lock area and remove any objects in that area. So also verify there are no clothing items in the way. So that's for the error code. But what can be also done and what you can try to do if you're going to find this error, you just want to unplug it for, let's say, 5 to 10 minutes and then plug it back in and start a new cycle. So you want to go to the circuit breaker. If you can access the cord, you want to go to the circuit breaker and turn it off there for like 5-10 minutes and then turn it back on, and maybe it's going to fix the issue because it can be just from the system, some kind of like error. So these are the two things that you can try, and I just wanted to share this quick video for you, and I hope it was beneficial. Thank you very much and have a great day, and goodbye.